From Divine Brothor of the Light, Michael Love, the Earth Alliance. More powerful light headed for Earth. Great one. As we head into another super galactic weekend, the Earth Alliance reports that a massive X 2.5 super flare erupted this morning, leaving the starseeds of Earth reeling from the continuous barrage of light coming into the planet. Sunspot AR3576 erupted today, 6:53 UTC, producing an intense X 2.5 class solar flare just like the X flare from several days ago. A massive halo of plasma expanded out in every direction, and a large chunk of these particles is headed for Earth now. Big Sunspot AR3576 is moving over the Sun's western limb, and one might think this means our planet is safely outside the line of fire. In fact, the opposite is true. AR3576 is rotating into a zone where the Sun and Earth are magnetically connected, making the situation uniquely dangerous. Sunspots located near the Sun's western limb are magnetically connected to Earth. The Sun's magnetic field spirals around like a lawn sprinkler, a shape known as the Parker spiral. Lines of magnetic force coming out of the western limb curve around and touch our planet. In space weather lingo, this magnetic connection is known as the danger zone. We discuss important space weather events from a spiritual perspective because we know our ascension is directly connected to the light coming from the cosmos. 3D humanity has little or no awareness of space weather events or how cosmic light affects human evolution. Daily life goes on, and they simply do not notice any of this. The reason for this is that this light is super high vibrational, and only beings that resonate with its frequency are affected by it. A 3D being would have to elevate their consciousness and awareness at least up to the 4th dimensional level to notice this light and for it to affect them. Higher knowledge and inside intel show that the intensity and frequency of this light activity have dramatically increased recently, and that this light is not just coming to Earth by accident or chance. Furthermore, this light influx is more related to the 26,000-year ascension cycle and is being sent to Earth for a purpose by intelligent beings. The guardian races overseeing humanity's current ascension window say they are blasting this realm with light for the purpose of moving this entire realm up into the next harmonic universe, which contains the 5th dimension. The bottom line here is humanity's ascension is well overdue since 2012, and things have recently been super escalated by the guardian host races to ensure humanity's ascension is a success. The aware starseed is feeling the incredible ascension symptoms and noticing the increased amounts of light and barrage of strong X-flares coming in constantly now. Everyone has noticed the shifts in their bodies, their emotions, their mental capacity, and in their soul. Entire realities have shifted for many, and life is being transformed in profound ways by this powerful light. As timelines merge higher and higher towards our grand goal, every starseed on Earth is working hard to integrate this powerful cosmic light into the cells of their body. It's important to be super grounded as this cosmic energy bombards the cells and DNA of the human body. Consuming light, raw energy foods, drinking plenty of pure water, grounding yourself in nature, meditating, and keeping crystals nearby will help channel this energy through your body and into the earth. The aware starseed who watches space weather events has also noticed an increasing and concerning phenomenon as these new flares are triggering rare proton radiation storms almost every day now. The frequency and levels of these radiation storms are something new, and the starseed understands how this affects human DNA and consciousness. These proton radiation storms are being played down by mainstream space weather and news media as no big deal on the surface. However, there are increasing reports that much larger amounts of these exotic particles have been making their way into Earth's atmosphere recently. The flare from this morning hit Earth with a major pulse of these energetic protons, which will take several hours to reach Earth, but solar proton levels are predicted to jump way up later this weekend. The magnetic danger zone between Earth and sunspot AR 3576 allowed this pulse to reach us, despite the fact that the sunspot is not facing our planet. Notably, the pulse was relatively rich in hard protons, with energies 50 MeV, which is likely that another X-flare will blast out of AR 3576 this weekend, which could trigger a full-fledged radiation storm. Possible effects include high-latitude radio blackouts, fogged cameras on Earth-orbiting satellites, and elevated levels of radiation on commercial air flights. Increased amounts of protons will reach the surface, and while this is generally something to be alarmed about, it is a concern to take notice of. Let's move even higher this weekend, and how about we go ahead and wake up the entire world? It's time to get on with this. Let us know what ascension symptoms you are experiencing at this time. Godspeed, Michael and the Pleiadians from 5DEarthProject.com.